Hi friends, welcome to tootscon.com videos. In this video I am showing you low carb foods for diabetes. Foods containing lesser amount of carbohydrates are extremely beneficial for your health as they help in losing weight, keep your heart healthy and control the blood sugar level, which is very important for diabetes patients. This is the main source of energy for the brain and the body. The foods 1. Tomato. Tomato is considered to be one of the best low carb foods for diabetic patients. This vegetable is extremely beneficial for your health as it contains vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. The antioxidants present in tomato helps in protecting your body from being affected by various diseases. Number 2. Almonds. Almonds are considered to be very good low-carb food for diabetes patients. Even though almonds are a rich source of fats, protein and fiber, they are extremely helpful in weight loss. But consuming too much of it results in the storage of fat in your body. Number 3. Cucumber. Cucumber is another vegetable which contains low amounts of carbohydrates. This is extremely beneficial for your health and skin. It is extremely beneficial for diabetes patients because it helps in lowering the blood sugar level. Number 4. Cabbage. Cabbage is an important option for people who wish to consume local foods for dealing with the problem of diabetes. This vegetable contains vitamins and antioxidants which help in keeping many diseases at bay. Olive oil. Olive oil is a very popular local food which is extremely beneficial in keeping a number of heart diseases at bay and are also helpful in preventing cancer. This is a must have for diabetic patients. The antioxidant properties of olive oil helps in protecting the cells from damage and also help in reducing the blood pressure level. It is also useful in keeping your digestive system healthy. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a vegetable which is an important ingredient in most Indian dishes. This vegetable contains low amount of carbohydrates which is great for people suffering from the problem of diabetes. Number 7. Broccoli. Another vegetable which contains low amounts of carbohydrates is broccoli. Broccoli contains high amounts of calcium, fiber and iron which is extremely beneficial for your health. Consuming this vegetable is great for people suffering from the problem of diabetes. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.